What's up, Creative Army? As you know, for the past 10 years, Stage 32 has been at the forefront of democratizing the entertainment business by leveling the playing field for creatives and executives worldwide. Today, we're taking things to the next level by partnering with Netflix to present you a Netflix television pitch workshop. This pitch workshop is going to teach you everything you need to know about pitching Netflix in 2021, what you need to have in your pitch decks, what they're looking for, what their strategies are. And it's going to be taught by Christopher Mack, who is the Director of Creative Talent Investment for Netflix. This webcast is completely free and open to all creatives and executives worldwide. We're inviting our entire community of 750,000 creatives worldwide to come join us. We're inviting our executive list of over 4,000 executives who work with Stage 32. All you have to do is go to stage32.com/education and register. It's this coming Thursday, and I will see you there.